With top 5 NIT triple IT GFT general 18 and 23,000, that is for NIT, and for triple IT 38,000, GFT 32,000. Before moving forward for this video, I would like to inform you very urgent information regarding the CSAB counseling. Here your general rank will be used, that is CR rank will be used, but you will get the benefit of your category. And how you can check here, it is for EWS category 21,000, that is CR rank, not your EWS category rank. But in JOSA counseling your category rank will be used. Here your CRL rank will be used, but you will get the benefit of your category in both the session, that is both the counseling process, JOSA and CSAB. Here you can check for general it is 18,000, but for EWS it is 21,000 at the same time because of the reservation. So hope you get my point. For NIT 21 27,000, triple IT 43, GFT 57,000. For OBC 23 28,000, that is for male and female. NIT triple IT 45,000, GFT 59,000. And these are for ECE branches, that is for ECE electronics and communication. I am providing you. Similarly, I will provide you for lower branch, that is anyhow if you want to get any seat in particular college, I will provide you that NIT wise, triple IT wise, GFT wise, everything you will get on the same channel. And for CSE branch also I will discuss soon on the same channel, so kindly subscribe the channel. For SC 75 and 85, that is for NIT male and female 75 and 85,000. For triple IT 1.3 lakh, GFT 1.6 lakh. In case of SC category triple IT, GFT cutoff is very high because there will be fee included. In NIT they don't have to pay fee, that is tuition fee waiver scheme is available. For ST 82,000 and 1 lakh. For NIT triple IT 2 lakh, GFT 2.6 lakh. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMET K, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by signing. Now